What's up guys, welcome in this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get free Subway Surfer keys and coins. This works for iOS and Android as well. So firstly, you have to open your Google or your search machine and type here subwaysurfers.cc, and really pay attention here because you have to really type here .cc and not .com. If you will type here .cc, .com, it won't work. So just type here subwaysurfers.cc. I have to pick if you have Android or Apple. I have personally Android, so I will just click on that, and I have to choose the applications that you will install and then verify that you are human. So just click on it and install it. And now I can go back and install the second app, which will be Cache 'em All. So again, click on inject and install. And now just wait a couple of seconds until the application is installed, and then you have to run them for at least 30 seconds. So now when the app is installed, you can open it and now run it for at least 30 seconds. You don't have to do anything special or just nothing, but you have to just run it for at least 30 seconds. So just click accept and run it for at least 30 seconds. After at least 30 seconds, you can close the app and go to the second app, which will be, in my case, CoinMaster. So just open it and again, run it for at least 30 seconds. So you have to play it actually, but just keep it running for at least 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, everything is basically done. So you can just close it and go back to Subway Surfers. And as you can see here, you will get free coins. So thank you for watching, and definitely subscribe and like, and have a great day.